going on? Me, J-Mac, the Red Island Shaver. Yes, got this awesome mail call from Yates Precision Manufacturing. Look at that. What a beauty. What a beauty. Look at that nice tin. That's really nice. That's some class right there. I really like that. So I wanted this on Instagram. This is the Yates Precision PVD. And, okay, we got more stuff in here. Wow. Man, this is some top-notch packaging. I have never seen anything like this. We got this foam insert that's branded, that's keeping everything in place in the box. We got a card. Ooh, we got some Gillette Nassets. Nice. That's a good choice of blades. And let's take a look at this razor. Oh my word, look at that. The Yates Precision PVD in that prismatic rainbow coating. I have a feeling my wife is going to, she's going to lay claim to this. When she saw that I wanted, she's like, ooh. And she's been thinking about getting into wet shaving. So I'm going to use this on Wednesday. Get a look at the pieces here. Look at that. That's just beautiful. So, yeah, I'm going to use this on Wednesday as I drop pieces. Caught that in my lap, like the legend I am. And I'm thinking after that, she is probably going to want to try this out. And if she likes it, then I think this is going to become her razor, which I am totally cool with as long as she lets me use it. But yeah, the Yates Precision in PVD, that's gorgeous. I can't wait to show this to her when she gets home. So that's it, guys. Quick unboxing today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Do appreciate it. We're gonna catch you guys later on in the week. So remember, be safe, be kind to one another. Have a great day, and you better shave. Catch you Wednesday. Peace.